Hey everyone and welcome. When we talk about the incredible advancements in artificial intelligence, you often hear big names. But sometimes it's not a simple competition. It's about different crucial roles. Today we're going to compare DeepSeek AI and NVIDIA, two major players in the AI world that surprisingly aren't direct competitors in the way you might think. Instead, they represent two vital yet very different aspects of the AI revolution. Let's break it down. 1. NVIDIA, the powerhouse behind the AI brains, hardware. First, let's start with NVIDIA. Imagine NVIDIA as the company that builds the most powerful muscles and bones for AI. They create the graphics processing units, or GPUs, that are absolutely essential for training and running complex AI models. Think of it like this. If an AI model is a brilliant brain, NVIDIA provides the supercomputers that allow that brain to function and learn. Their role? They are the hardware giants. Every major AI company from Google to OpenAI relies heavily on NVIDIA's chips to develop their AI systems. Without NVIDIA, the rapid progress in AI we've seen simply wouldn't be possible at this scale. They are the foundational infrastructure. 2. DeepSeek AI, building the brain itself, software, models. Now let's talk about DeepSeek AI. Imagine DeepSeek as one of the brilliant teams that actually builds and trains those AI brains, the software models themselves. Think of it like this. While NVIDIA makes the powerful computers, DeepSeek AI develops the complex algorithms and trains the large language models, LLMs, that allow AI to understand language, generate text, and perform intelligent tasks. Their role: they are a leading AI research and development company. They create sophisticated AI models, much like companies such as OpenAI with ChatGPT or Google with Gemini. They focus on the intelligence itself. 3. Not competitors but partners, the symbiotic relationship. So here's the crucial point. DeepSeek AI and NVIDIA are generally not direct competitors. They operate in different but highly interdependent parts of the AI ecosystem. NVIDIA needs DeepSeek. Companies like DeepSeek and countless others are the primary customers for NVIDIA's powerful AI chips. The more advanced AI models become, the more demand there is for NVIDIA's hardware. DeepSeek needs NVIDIA. To train their massive AI models, DeepSeek requires immense computational power, which is primarily provided by NVIDIA's GPUs. They can't build their cutting-edge AI without NVIDIA's hardware. It's a symbiotic relationship. NVIDIA provides the shovels and machinery, while DeepSeek is digging for gold and building incredible structures with them. 4. What DeepSeek AI is known for. DeepSeek AI has recently gained significant recognition for its advanced large language models. They're LLMs. Imagine AI models that are becoming incredibly proficient at understanding and generating human-like text, coding, and more. DeepSeek has released models that are open source or highly competitive in specific benchmarks, making advanced AI more accessible to developers and researchers. Innovation. They are known for their innovative approaches in training AI models efficiently and developing robust AI solutions. 5. What NVIDIA is known for. NVIDIA's reputation is built on its hardware and platform dominance. GPU dominance. Imagine NVIDIA's H100 or H200 Grace Hopper superchips. These are the gold standard for AI training. CUDA platform. Picture their CUDA software platform, which makes it easier for developers to program NVIDIA GPUs for AI tasks, creating a powerful ecosystem. Full stack approach. NVIDIA also develops AI software and platforms like NVIDIA AI Enterprise, but their core strength remains the underlying hardware infrastructure that powers almost all AI development. Conclusion. In summary, NVIDIA is the architect and provider of the foundational hardware that makes AI possible. while DeepSeek AI is an innovator that leverages this hardware to build highly intelligent and capable AI software models. They are two distinct yet equally vital pillars supporting the rapid growth of the AI world. Understanding their different roles helps us appreciate the full complexity and incredible innovation happening in artificial intelligence today. Outro. Did this help clarify the roles of companies like DeepSeek AI and NVIDIA? Which other AI companies or technologies would you like us to explain? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights into the world of AI. Thanks for watching.